Awesome! It's time to set up the second zone for your new Chilipad. Both sides are getting the love now. Whether you added this zone later or bought it from the start, let's walk through the setup. Here's what's in your box. You'll need 1 gallon of distilled water and Wi-Fi. You can switch to airplane mode after setup if you prefer. Strip your bed down to your Chilipad cover. If you don't have one on your bed yet, check out the link in the description for the first setup video. We love pets, but keep them away during setup so their nails don't damage the Hydrolayer. Choose a spot for your dock with airflow in a ventilated nightstand, under the bed, or at the foot of the bed, which is also recommended for adjustable beds. Just make sure it's in an easy-to-reach spot for quick water refills. For demonstration purposes, we'll be connecting the dock to the Hydrolayer at the foot of the bed, but feel free to adjust the location based on your bedroom environment. Unzip the Chilipad cover on the side where you'll place the new Hydrolayer. Unroll the Hydrolayer and set it up on the bottom layer with the Chilipad logo facing up. Ensure the Hydrolayer's connector is pointing toward your planned dock location. Secure the Hydrolayer to the cover using the included 4S hooks. Use the ladders to adjust your mattress height. Aim for snug with no shifting or bunching. Don't fret about getting it too tight or too snug, you can always adjust it. Feed the water hose through the opening below the Chilipad tag and connect the hose to the Hydrolayer. You'll hear a click. Zip the top and bottom layers back together. Tuck the cover securely around the mattress. Plug the power cord into the dock and then into a wall outlet or surge protector. Then connect the water hose to the dock. Next, add 1 packet of system cleaner to the reservoir. This product helps keep the water in your Chilipad clean. Fill the reservoir with distilled water until the screen shows the Hydrolayer is full. Your dock will circulate the water through your Hydrolayer for premium hydro-based temperature control. Note that during setup, the Chilipad may not require the full gallon. Expect to refill more during the first 7 days as air exits the Hydrolayer. Now it's time to download the Chilipad app. Follow the instructions in the app to register your Chilipad so you can unlock temperature scheduling. After registering your Chilipad in the app, it's time to pair your remote. Set the remote on your nightstand. Plug it in with the included USB-C cable and charger. The remote will automatically pair with your dock. Rotate the outer ring to change the temperature. By the way, this thing is so cool, it's designed with a USB-C charging port on the back, so you can charge other accessories on your nightstand. Now, set the remote on your nightstand and angle it towards the bed if you'd like to use its automations. You can see more in your remote settings. Sleep temperatures can be different for everyone. To get started, here are some recommended sleep temperatures. Remember, in the app, you're able to schedule or program temperature changes while you sleep. Yes, it's that awesome. Get into a warm bed, have it cool off throughout the night, and then have it warm up to wake you up. Just try it. It's such a nice feeling. I've even gotten rid of my alarm clock because my bed wakes me up. And yes, this is washable. Simply unzip the top layer from the bottom layer, and if you're washing the bottom, remove the Hydrolayer and S hooks first. Okay, mission accomplished. Now it's time to make your bed and get some rest. Your future self will thank you.